So I was having a conversation, and throughout that conversation, we ended up talking about what we do for a living. So when they asked me what I do for a living, I told them I buy and sell contracts in the stock market, crypto, futures, anything that has candlesticks. And in response, that person said, "Oh, that's smart people stuff." Well, after thought, that led me to this question. Do you have to be smart to be a day trader? Let's talk about that. When you hear about the stock market, you normally think about numbers. Also, you also think about how the market gets involved with economics. So that makes you think, oh, I have to be a great mathematician or really involved in economics to understand how the market works. But through my time and experience in the markets, just not crypto, stocks, futures, just in general, any market that had candlesticks, I realized that it's really not based of those factors. In reality, the markets is about patterns. You see, patterns are something we learn as children. Not just us, but also animals can learn patterns, artificial intelligence can learn patterns, and obviously humans can learn patterns. So if it's in our nature to learn patterns, that means that we already come with the gift to understand anything that involves around a pattern. Now the stock market, the futures market, the crypto market, any market with candlesticks will repeat a pattern over time. And all you have to do in reality is learn and understand those patterns. You see, as humans, we tend to have patterns in ourselves. Auditory patterns, visual patterns, behavioral patterns, and data patterns. Anyone can learn the stock market because it really evolves around patterns. You don't have to be a magician, you don't have to be a politician, you don't have to be a scientist. All you have to do is just remember patterns. As I was saying, even animals learn patterns. From a koala to a dog, pattern recognition. That's all it really is. It's just pattern recognition in the markets. Don't get discouraged because you hear that you have to know percentages, you have to know math, you have to know economics, or anything in the other nature that's not pattern recognition to trade any market that has candlesticks. So once you understand that the market is really about patterns, then you can dive in more in depth on how to trade the markets, like understand the market of placing a trade, selling an order, buying an order, or how to calculate your risk, how to input money to be able to output money in the future once you start your journey. As long as you are able to recognize patterns in the markets, that's really all you have to do. So if you want to learn about trading, go ahead. Try not to think that you have to be a straight A student or be a great scientist to understand the markets, because in reality, it's more simple than you think. All it takes is just the right knowledge, the right mentor, and the right tools to succeed in trading. So remember, the markets are really about patterns. So don't think yourself of less because you don't know about numbers, economy, politics, anything that everyone's trying to throw at you. To me, it feels like it's just a big distraction to how simple the market really is. That being said, if you're in the journey, don't give up, don't give in, and enjoy the experience because soon you will prevail to what you seek. Thank you for watching. Publicity out.